Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Krishna Perkins here. I am out and about doing another tour of the neighborhoods in Northeast San Antonio. Do me one quick thing and let me know in the description here or the comments what features you're most interested in hearing about when I'm doing these tours. That way I can put it in future videos. If you enjoy the video, give me one of these right here. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.
Welcome to Spring Creek and Spring Creek Forest, located just inside Loop 1604 between Stahl and Nacogdoches Rd. There are approximately 700 homes in this subdivision. Homes range from small 2-bedroom bungalows to large 2-story homes up to 3,000 square feet. Spring Creek began building in the early 1980s and finished in the early 2000s. Places of interest near this subdivision are Comanche Lookout Park, Rolling Oaks Mall, IKEA in Live Oak, the Forum Shopping Center, and Retama Park. Elementary schools include Woodstone Elementary, Stahl Elementary. Middle schools include Harris and Wood Middle School, and the high school is Madison High School.